YGR Music.
Sababane. Got young G, got young 6, so Bama butter nan say 6. Got yan mata nan kala kala, but na fi son young chicks. Ban san kanana kawo mu lele, so slim but my pocket is too lele. She want banana, I know lele. Back case, bugata like pelele. Bring any beat and I'm gon' kill it. Swag so neat you can't help but feel it. Baba now you and they have seen it. I'm at the top, and y'all niggas spin it. Now, take a motherfucking pause. It's an order cause I'm the motherfucking boss. Then I should go say a round of applause. Now this kind boss we make players pause. I can take it. When I give a girl my arch can't take it. Money be like food cause that's how we make it. With a Coca-Cola body weight don't shake it. At the top come on out, yeah, daram dam. They feeling this from Katy to Amsterdam. I'm dropping bombs, come on Saddam. They can't slow the flow, go inside down. Damn.
People leave you. People leave you, people leave you. But tonight there's no regrets. Instead I'll make a toast. Yes, my middle finger, motherfucker, take a pose, take a pose. Cause people leave you. People leave you, people leave you. But tonight there's no regrets. Instead I'll make a toast. Yes, my middle finger, motherfucker, take a pose, take a pose.
You say wow, attention, right? I don't give it to you, why you can't cause fight? Fly to Dubai, remember our first light. Take a shopping down, even take a shop right. Buy Louis V, Gucci, Fendi, Prada, and Jimmy Choo. Baby girl, what's wrong with you? Anything you need, I swear I got you. Me plus you, cause what not two? Why you acting like say love, no the life is square? Sing it too, young G, sing it too. If you got a problem, solving text too. Remember the day that I first text you, say I love your tattoo, and you say me too. You done make me high, baby girl, no lie. Insisted to leave me, you want me to die. I needed the help, but you know, send the guy. Now my song the rain, everywhere that I for. Promoters are call, and chicks of the fall. Now you wanna ride with a B.I.G. See me in the club, I'm in VIP. Sweet love story, I'm done with you. Life is a bitch, I'm fuck with you. Life is a bitch, I'm done with you.
People leave you. People leave you, people leave you. But tonight there's no regrets. Instead I'll make a toast. Yes, my middle finger, motherfucker, take a pose, take a pose. Cause people leave you. People leave you, people leave you. But tonight there's no regrets. Instead I'll make a toast. Yes, my middle finger, motherfucker, take a pose, take a pose.
I guess we should call it quit. I saw this coming, always know we were split. I sit and analyze, well you were always a bitch. There's something about you I don't quite get. You wasn't worth it, even though I'm far away from perfect. You wasn't worth it. I think you need to do some soul searching to find. Cause that bipolar shit ain't true, and stop lying that I ain't you. I don't get how you look so bad on the internet, but in person another person, I lost interest.